Hello, Python wizards. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We'll be exploring the world of data interpolation using the powerful SciPy library. Data interpolation is a technique used to estimate values between known data points. It's particularly useful when dealing with missing or irregularly sampled data. SciPy's Interpolate module provides a variety of methods to perform interpolation, and today, we'll focus on the versatile interp1d function. Let's start by importing the necessary libraries. Make sure you have SciPy installed in your Python environment. You can install these libraries using the pip install command. Now, let's create some sample data. We have distance and consumption data points. The magic happens with the interp1d function. It allows us to create an interpolation function based on our data. Let's generate some new distances for interpolation. Now, we can use our interpolation function to get corresponding consumption values for these new distances. Finally, let's visualize the original data and the interpolated values using matplotlib, and there you have it. A quick and practical guide to data interpolation using SciPy. Don't forget to explore different interpolation methods offered by SciPy to find the one that best suits your data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more data-related content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy coding!